What's up, everybody? I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. The way money works is changing. So if you want to be able to survive financially in the new money generation, you have to understand how money changed and how the new money works. Back in the day, if you went to school and you worked hard and you got a degree, you were pretty much guaranteed a well-paying job. Higher education used to be a lot cheaper in America. People in the 1960s and the 1970s did not have to drown themselves in debt to get a degree. To give you a little bit of background on this change, as higher education became more and more popular, the government jumped in and President Lyndon Johnson signed the Higher Education Act in 1965, which gave students more grants so they could go to school, and it provided students with more work-study programs, and most importantly, it provided guaranteed student loan financing backed by the United States government. This was great to help students get educated, but then universities thought to themselves, so now tuitions are guaranteed by the government? This means we can boost up our prices and people will still be able to pay. So then tuition rates skyrocketed. So first, you have to start off your adult life by digging yourself into a financial hole so you can get educated. Second, you have a higher cost of living because of inflation. And third, you have less and less money coming in because wages have been stagnant. Oh, and don't forget, in the old money time, after you went to school, you were pretty much guaranteed a well-paying job with job security. And second, you were able to work a job where there was a such thing as a work-life balance, so you could go to work and have a life at the same time. And third, you were pretty much spoon-fed a retirement with your pension and social security. Now, the only time you really hear of these things are when you read them in textbooks. Baby boomers lived in the generation of jobs. If you followed the traditional system and you worked hard and you got a job, you were pretty much guaranteed to live a decent life. Now, times have changed and money has changed, but the system has not. The growth of technology led to what I call the digital revolution, which brought on outsourcing, robots, and automation taking over jobs. And now, on top of all of that, you have corporations trying to lean their systems. So let me put this in perspective for you. Now, you have to pay more money to get a degree that you'll spend the rest of your life paying off, to get a job where you need 3 years of experience to get an entry-level position where you will barely be able to make ends meet, where there's no job security and there's no guarantee for retirement. That's a lot of craziness. For the majority of people, this is horrible news because you are getting screwed by the system. But with every crisis comes opportunity for the minority of people who think different. And so this crisis presents one of the greatest opportunities of our time for the people that think different, and I'll explain why. Right now, the majority of people are applying old money rules to a new money world. And so you're being pushed into a corner and being punched from all angles. But if you look at the other side where nobody's looking, there's light. Over the last couple decades, we have had some crazy developments on the internet and social media and technology in general, which presents so much opportunity for the few people who understand the new money. And if you're not familiar with it, I hope that this video and our channel can help you understand that there are other options. Baby boomers lived in the generation of opportunity through working a job. And right now, we are in the new money era, which is the generation of opportunity through entrepreneurship and financial literacy. Back in the old money time, it was very difficult and very expensive to start a business or start investing. It was reserved for a select few people. But now, in the new money era, you can do something different literally off of your phones with little to nothing. The internet is a free tool that has allowed some teenagers to make more money while going to school than some Harvard graduates off of their social media pages. And the growth of technology has led to the development of financial channels and blogs and applications, which allows people to become financially literate who would have never had the opportunity in the past. And yet, even though the world has changed, we keep promoting this old money thinking, which is why this shift from old money to new money is providing so much opportunity for the few people who think different. Now, some of you might be thinking, but money shouldn't matter, just live your life, right? The reality is, it costs money to eat and it costs money to feed other people. Whether you want to take your wife on that beautiful vacation she's been talking about for years, or whether you want to give your parents a beautiful retirement after they've sacrificed everything for you, or whether you want to feed hungry people in your neighborhood, having money and understanding money can help you live these things. And it's a lot easier to enjoy your life when you don't have to report to a job you hate, where you have to bust your butt to barely make ends meet, and where you have to work for 12 months just to get a vacation. The traditional system won't cut it for most people. In this new money era, you have to know how to create your own income, and this is more possible than ever because of the internet. And you have to know how to use your money as a tool so it will go out and earn you more money, and that's only possible if you become financially literate, and these things will help you live life on your terms. So what do you do next? Well, you have to start by learning, and then you have to take action. It's not going to be easy, but either is working a job that you hate. We are in the era of opportunity for people that think different. And if you are looking for some more resources, you can check out some of the other videos on our channel. You can check out some of the articles on our website. And we have an ebook on money and investing that you can read for free when you sign up for our money and finance newsletter. And you can do that by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Wednesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.